Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to turn off voice to text on iPhone. If you're using an iPhone and now you want to turn off voice to text on iPhone, so let's see how can you do this. First open your keyboard and here you can see here's a mic option, which is voice to text option. When you accidentally click on it, so it start recording and then start typing automatically. Now we are going to turn it off. So for this, you just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just go for general and then select keyboard here. Here's the keyboard, select it, and here you will get a lot of settings of your keyboard. You just have to look for enable dictation. Here's the dictation option. You just have to disable this setting. Just tap on it and it will be disabled. Now you just have to tap on turn off dictation. So in this way you have successfully turned off dictation. Now go for your keyboard and here you can see there's no more mic option or voice to text option on my iPhone. So that's how you can turn off voice to text on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.